Hey guys, we do intend to make, I didn't even know that this was in here, but we have orange juice, and a screwdriver is something that we could do. So it says that a screwdriver is just a orange blossom with vodka instead of gin. So here it is, the orange blossom. Another spawn of the Prohibition toad that I have already denounced is the orange blossom, consisting of equal parts gin and orange juice. If, however, this drink is treated as a sour type cocktail and made accordingly, it's not too bad. In doing this, it must be borne in mind that orange juice is sweeter and less pungent than either lime or lemon juice. Hence, the quantity of sugar must be cut down, and that of the citrus juice increased. What he wants you to do is a little half part of sugar syrup, and then a 4 parts to 8 parts ratio, 4 parts orange juice to 8 parts liquor. So I guess that's what we're going to do, is exactly that, and we'll see. I'm a little nervous. This sounds pretty rough, but we're gonna do it that way. I did a lot of deliberation on this. I would never use sugar syrup, personally, in a screwdriver. Seems already pretty sweet. It's the whole point of the orange juice, but it's only half of a shot, or a half part. The problem is that like that would be really easy to do with this part of the jigger. I was thinking about doing even half of that because the rest of it is insane, but we're splitting it, so even then it's still kind of crazy. So we start off with a half part sugar syrup, small part of the jigger here. Then we got 4 parts orange juice. David Embury is like the worst person on earth. Got 1, 2, 3, and 4 cuckoo clock. Here's the part that kind of scares me. 8 parts vodka. I wouldn't recommend making this for yourself, a single person. This is like a, oh, I like that. That's nice, convenient. It's too much. Halfway there.
Might have to whip out the other rod.
To go back and count this, and I'll like accidentally have put 9 or 10 in instead of 8.
I counted.
8 is too many. 8 is too many. The fact that he talks about it being a 1-to-1 ratio and that being disgusting, that in my mind is like still a pretty strong screwdriver. Like, in my mind, a screwdriver is like just orange juice with a dash of vodka in it. Not straight up just like vodka with a little bit of orange flavoring. Put some ice in here. Thank God we're sharing this.
We only have to work tomorrow. It's fine.
It's the middle of the day. We're fine. We're more than fine. Want to make sure this is icy cold because otherwise, so, you don't want warm beverage, do you? You want this shaken up. Shake it up. Said shake it up. Said shake it up. Said shake it up. Gonna shake this up. Shake it up. Alright, so. Alright, so we're gonna try this really weird, scary screwdriver. You can really taste the vodka.
I don't think it's too bad.
It's actually pretty good.
I actually hate orange juice. Like,
So
it tastes horrible to me. So
This is nice.
the fact that it doesn't taste like orange juice makes it more
Better.
palatable.
You stay there. I gotta get rid of this orange juice. Pretty close to the end.
I mean, what are you gonna do with that?
Yeah, this is like useless.
Like a shot of oranges?
It might be useful for another drink, but like I don't want to find out after this one.
Too late at this point.
This is too much already. I'm scared. Pray for us. And like and subscribe.